trimmer. If you haven't checked that video yet, please do check it after watching this video. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing mobile phone holder. So a few days ago, I was having a phone holder which was actually not bad. Like, you know, it was from plastic and I kept my tablet in it and probably broke. And I was like, ugh! And in my middle of the class, it is really frustrating for me though. And I went to my father and asked him like, oh, this is like really irritating me. Like I want something which can, you know, be like a little weight, which can hold weight. Like for my tablet, it has like also my phone. And so like I'll see about that. And after I didn't know he's gonna order this, but yeah, he finally did it. And now in today, I'm going to be unboxing it and seeing it is a worthy product or not. So without further ado, let's get unboxing it. So yeah, it just says that it's a phone accessory, but I really didn't know like what is it exactly. But yeah, let's get unboxing it. Yeah. So it is a much more different than like our last unboxing video was. Like we didn't got this wrapping paper or like a wrapping cover, I would say. And yeah, let's just unbox it. Okay, this is gonna take a time. Okay. Okay, this is really hard. And this is probably a good packaging if I would say. And yeah, here we go, another box. This is nothing but like the Amazon bowl. We don't need it. So yeah, now let's just unbox this. And I wish there is no boxes in my bin. Alright. It is pretty decent packaging, I would say. It is pretty protectable. Oh god. Here also. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this side too. OMG. God, that was. Don't ever play with blades. It was just a miss. God, okay. So let me just do it again. Alright. Seriously? Are you serious right now? Another box? That was mean. Alright. Yeah, this is the last box, okay? No other boxes. Yeah, this is the last one. So here is thanks for buying a product from store 2005, not 8. Not really into it, so. Oh my god, that was actually so mean. There's another thank you card. Let's just read this after the video, okay? Here we go, the product finally in my hand. So here is how you're gonna get it. And now let's just take this out of the wrapping paper or like plastic paper. So let's just place this here. I think it's gonna be stamped. Okay. Let's just place this down. And this is the other one. And I think this is the main thing. Oh wow. Like both sides can open, which is really great because I got only one side can open, but both sides can open. And this is the main thing. Oh, there is no installation card in here. Oh my god, this is like so tight to open. It is pretty hard to move, but I like the quality and that's why I told my dad to order this. And yeah, this is going to not broke not like the last one of mine broke. And yeah, now I'm going to install this. So I just need to remove this and then put it under like this, and then you just need to like fix this in and do this. Yeah, like that. Wait a minute. So let me just do this. And I think which is pretty easy, and yeah, let me just do this. And you can just move this like this, or you can just put it like that. And now I can film videos with this, and this is also like a tripod. Alright, so I finally fixed my phone, and you can also do like this, and you can also fix it like this. I think which is pretty easy, and probably guys, I love the build quality that's built in. It is pretty hard to, you know, flexible, but it can also rotate 360 degrees. And I love the build quality because like how much you hard press it, it's gonna not broke at all. And we probably like all my family members, me and my brother, enjoy watching like TikToks with this, or like animated movies, etc. while eating lunch or just anything we just sit in our desk. I just do this thing. I probably keep all my classes like this, and then just write some stuff. And I'm really excited to use it from tomorrow in my online classes. And yeah, I'm really excited for that. And now I'm going to be reading this card, and then I'm going to be telling what I had experienced with this. So yeah. So it says, "Dear customer, thank you so much for purchasing our product. What makes us even more thankful is that you choose to buy from us from a sea of options available online. This trust you have placed on us is extremely valuable. Thanks once again." That's good. Personally, my experience with this overall product was A1, and I really love the build quality, as I said, y'all. Due to all of my previous phone holders was probably broken, and thank you, Dad, for buying me this amazing phone holder. And I would probably suggest you guys to buy this. It is worthy, and link it in the description. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to Techdisplay. Techdisplay is coming with some new content and also some new gadgets. Till then, see you. Bye bye.